Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can make $100 per day using Google. So with that being said, let's get started and cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell because that will notify you every time I put a video out, and I'm putting out content every single day, so you don't want to miss any of that out. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. And how do you do that? First of all, you want to go to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is very known in the affiliate marketing world. So if you're unsure about this, just go to clickbank.com and click on, I think it's called like something like be an affiliate or something like that. So once you're on there, you want to find a niche that interests you. So on the left of the screen, there'll be all sorts of different niches in red. So you just select the one you feel like promoting. Doesn't matter which one it is, just as long as it's something that you really want to promote. So once you've selected that, you sort by gravity. So if you sort by gravity, that tells ClickBank that you want the ones that convert the most to be at the top. So that's really something that you want, because if it doesn't convert, no matter how high the commissions are, you're not going to make any money. So you really want to select the one that converts very well, the one that sells. So then you click on promote and you get the link. But the thing is, with that link, it's going to be a very, very big and ugly link. So you don't want that. So what you do is you go to bit.ly.com and you paste your link, and that will give you another link that is much shorter and much more appreciable. So, you know, you see all these bit.ly links all over the internet. That is how you actually do that. So now you have a very short link, and that's a lot better than having a very long link. So now you have your product that you want to promote, which converts very well. You have a proper link that's going to send you to the exact same place, so you actually get some commissions, so don't worry about that one. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to blogs, and you go to blogs about that specific niche that you want to promote a product in. So if you're in the fat loss niche and you find a product that allows people to help them lose belly fat or something like that, if you have something like that, what you do is you find a blog that talks about weight loss and how to lose belly fat, and you know, anything that's around that, around losing weight, no matter what blog it is. And you find it and you go into the comment section and you say something that's congruent with the blog. So you say something like, that's a very good article, I've tried this, it worked very well, but this other product that I use helped me even more. So I'll just leave the link here if you're interested, and you paste your link. Something along these lines. You don't want to go all in and just say, you know, hard promoting something, because people won't click on your link if you just say, this link helps you lose weight, and then you just like post a link. People won't click on that. And I see a lot of people doing that and it doesn't work. So you really want to be subtle about it. You don't want to like really like shove it down people's throats. It doesn't work like that. So make sure that you explain how it helped you, because what I just said is just a really quick one, but you really want to explain about what it is, because that will help you convert a lot more. So that's the basics of how you do it. But then you want to automate it. So what you can do, for example, or one of the good ways to do it, is you go to something called Google Alerts. So just type Google Alerts in Google, obviously. And what this is going to do is it's going to send you email alerts of like a specific subject that you choose. So just select something like once a day, once a week, etc. It has a lot of different ways to do it. So blogs get written all the time, so I wouldn't suggest doing that every day, maybe once a week. But if you're really into it and really want to make that your the kind of money that's going to allow you to make a lot, then you could select once a day. You type in whatever the niche you're in, so for instance weight loss, and that's the keyword, and then just select blogs. You want to select blogs only because that is the way that you are going to be able to comment. You're not going to be able to comment on everything, but blogs you are. So obviously you want to enter your email because that is how you're going to get the alert, and you then click on create alert. So that's like the whole big thing about how you can make money without having a big personal brand or something like that. It does work. It's not huge compared to how much you can make on like having a personal brand, and I made a ton of videos about this, and there'll be some future ones on how to grow that. But that is a very good way if you want to make $100 a day, and it's very simple. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss any videos out, because I'm putting out content every single day, and you don't want to miss any of that out. So make sure that you leave me a like if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment if that helped you in any way, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.